According to the World Health Organization, allergy is the fourth most common disease in the world, after cancer, cardiovascular diseases, and HIV infection. Hundreds of millions of people worldwide suffer from allergic rhinitis, and it's estimated that over 300 million people have allergic asthma, significantly impacting their quality of life and that of their families. Today, 1 in 3 people born after 1980 is allergic. The WHO estimates that by 2050, half of the global population will be allergic. Why is that? Allergy is a hypersensitivity reaction to allergens mediated by our immune system. It is partly determined by genetics. This is called atopy. It means some people are more predisposed to developing allergies than others. Indeed, 77% of children whose both parents are allergic will develop an allergy, compared to 33% if only one parent is allergic. But nowadays, the rise in allergy cases is increasingly influenced by our environment. Here are the main reasons why. The first reason is pollution. It's well known that pollution from industry and transportation emits CO2, increasing its concentration in the air. CO2 is used by plants in the process of photosynthesis, releasing oxygen and promoting plant growth just like food provides energy for us. As a result, plants grow faster and larger, producing more flowers and therefore more pollen. When pollen enters the body, the immune system overreacts and treats it like a dangerous invader, releasing chemicals like histamine that cause sneezing, itching, and other allergy symptoms. And it's a vicious cycle. More pollen means more seeds that will disperse, germinate, and give rise to even more plants, which in turn will produce more pollen the next year. Pollution from traffic can even enhance the allergenic effects of nearby plant pollen. But it's not just outdoor pollution. Indoor air pollution from cleaning products, synthetic fragrances, and plastics is also being studied for its role in increasing airway sensitivity and triggering allergic responses. The second reason is climate change. The increase in atmospheric CO2 also contributes to global warming. According to forecasts, the global temperature will rise by 2 degrees Celsius by 2050. This means shorter, warmer winters and earlier springs, leading to a longer pollen season. In short, pollen arrives earlier in the year, in higher concentrations, and for a longer period. Now let's talk about the hygiene hypothesis. This theory suggests that reduced early life exposure to infections and microbial components in industrialized countries hinders proper immune system maturation, leading to an increased prevalence of allergic diseases. With the development of sewage systems, the prevalence of parasitic infections has decreased. These parasites used to stimulate the same Th2 immune pathway involved in allergies, which promotes the production of IgE antibodies and activates eosinophils, a type of white blood cell. Other supporting elements include babies born by C-section don't come into contact with maternal genital bacteria, resulting in a poorer gut microbiota and higher allergy risk. Similarly, babies who were not breastfed miss out on beneficial bacteria and immune factors. Also, children raised in urban areas who have less contact with animals and soil are at higher risk than those raised on farms. Lastly, the increasing use of antibiotics, especially in childhood, is linked to higher allergy rates. Antibiotics alter the gut microbiome, and many studies suggest a link between antibiotic use and allergy development, especially food allergies. The fourth reason is our diet. As mentioned, the gut microbiome plays a crucial role in allergy development. It helps maintain the integrity of the intestinal epithelial barrier and balance the intestinal immune system, which are our first line of defense against external pathogens. The gut flora is strongly influenced by what we eat. Studies show that certain nutrients are key in preventing or managing allergies like vitamins A, D, and E, minerals such as zinc and iron, and dietary fibers. These nutrients are also essential at the cellular level, ensuring proper growth and function of immune cells. Conversely, diets high in energy, protein, bad fats, and simple sugars typical of ultra-processed foods are linked to a higher risk of allergies. And unfortunately, the consumption of these foods has increased dramatically in recent decades, further worsening the allergy epidemic of the 21st century. Moreover, research suggests that prebiotics and probiotics found in fermented foods, yogurt, and fiber-rich plants may help restore gut diversity and reduce allergic inflammation. And last but not least, chronic stress. In addition to environmental and dietary changes, chronic stress has also been shown to impact our immune system and gut barrier. potentially increasing allergic reactions. Stress hormones can disrupt the intestinal lining and modulate immune responses, making the body more reactive to allergens. Finally, it's important to recognize that allergies are not equally distributed worldwide. They are more common in urbanized, industrialized societies and among populations with high exposure to westernized lifestyles. While genetics play a role, the sharp rise in allergies is largely driven by socioeconomic as well as geographic factors and environmental changes. The good news is there are ways we can act on it. By improving air quality, eating a diverse and less processed diet, protecting our gut microbiota, reducing unnecessary antibiotic use, supporting natural birth and breastfeeding when possible, reconnecting with nature, and managing stress, we can help reduce the burden of allergies for ourselves and future generations.